Hi, I'm Ravi Sajja from Kelly Dather Real Estate Group, and today I'm here to talk about what are the strategies to make a strong offer in this aggressive market. One of the most important thing that we do is have the lender call the listing agent to talk about how good your profile is and how strong is your application for the loan.
The stability of your financing is super important. You can pay the property taxes that would be owed by the seller, and also something that doesn't cost you money is give the seller a few days of possession after closing. It's always a very welcome idea for the sellers.
Another popular strategy right now for making an aggressive offer in a market like this is Appraisal Gap Guarantee. I'm sure you've heard about that, but it's a little bit tricky. It's more than just adding a bunch of extra cash to the sales price. It is doing the research necessary to know if there is an appraisal shortfall. In other words, if the appraisal comes in at less than the agreed upon selling price, the buyer may bring some cash. That's a popular strategy right now and will be very effective, but it needs to be researched so that the cash you're bringing isn't just piling a bunch of cash in a seller's pocket. For more information on all of these tips and many more that we didn't cover, please reach out. Give us a call.